Want to watch NFL games on your Fire Stick? It's super easy. First, you want to go to Fire TV home screen. From there, download the NFL app. Once you have downloaded the official NFL app, you want to sign in or subscribe to NFL Plus. You can stream live local and primetime games plus replays and highlights after that. For full coverage, install live TV apps like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling, or Fubo TV. They include channels like CBS, Fox, NBC, and ESPN. For Thursday Night Football, just open the Amazon Prime Video. It's exclusive there if you are a Prime member, and if you're outside the US, you can use a VPN to access region-locked games. Make sure your Wi-Fi is strong to avoid buffering. Restarting your Fire Stick or clearing app cache can help. And that's it. All you want to do is download the right apps, log in, and you're ready to stream every touchdown this NFL season. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.